Hello Spartans, welcome back to episode 19 of Spartan Spotlight. I'm Carson McWhorter.
And I'm Daniela Sanchez. Happy Women's History Month.
The College and Career Center is offering several scholarship opportunities for seniors. These scholarships include the Rio Mesa Scholarship Foundation, the Rod McCarty Memorial Scholarship, and the RMHS Richard and Susan Duran Scholar Athlete Scholarship.
Also, the College and Career Center will be helping you apply for these scholarships on March 20th through the 29th at 12:57 through 4:30 p.m.
On March 24th, the Spanish dance will be happening in the quad. Make sure to purchase your tickets as it will be a lot of fun. You can buy your tickets at the ASB window.
There will be a special senior pricing for 2 days, so make sure to not miss if you're a senior. If you need a guest pass, make sure to see Miss Erickson at the ASB window.
The ticket prices are $15 with an ASB card, $20 without an ASB card, $20 for guest passes. Also, guest passes are due by March 21st, so hopefully you already have them done.
Please join us for the 14th annual IB Art Show on Tuesday, on March 28th, from 4:30 to 6:30 at Oxnard Performing Arts Center. We're going to showcase artworks from 25 students and selected pieces from 8 artists from class 2013 to celebrate their 10th reunion. In addition to the show, there will be a fundraiser coordinated by a few students from class of 2013 to help fundraise for the IB art program. They'll be selling t-shirts and sweatshirts.
Spartans, on March 30th, we'll be having an open house from 6 p.m. through 8 p.m. for incoming freshmen. Also, the next day on Friday, it'll be a minimum day with a food fest after school.
Also, the buses will be leaving 30 minutes after the bell rings. Our yearly CAASPP testing will be on March 20th through the 31st. We'll be on block schedule except on Friday, March 24th and on March 31st, and it'll be on regular collaboration schedule.
On the week of March 20th, juniors will do the CAASPP test in English. On the week of the 27th, juniors will do the CAASPP test in math as well as the CAASPP test in science. Seniors will also do the CAASPP test in science. In order to attend prom and run for court, you need to have a 2.0 by March 24th. If you are interested in running for prom court, there will be a meeting on March 29th for people who are interested.
You'll be able to purchase tickets during March 30th through the April 14th, and ticket pricings will be $100 with an ASB card, $110 without an ASB card, and $115 for guests.
Make sure to sign up for the Springtime Class Competition Olympics. There's tons of sports for you to sign up for, and most of these events don't require experience. It'll be starting on March 28th during 4th, lunch, and 5th period, and will be ending on April 27th.
Now we'd like to introduce Barbara to talk about Positive Parenting Night.
Hello Spartans! The Olympus Wellness Team Center will be hosting a Positive Parenting Night. In collaboration with Interface Children and Family Services, they will be hosting a workshop on Thursday, March 30th from 6:30 to 7 p.m. We will be focusing on positive parenting, motivation, student engagement, and parenting teens. Light refreshments will be provided for those who participate. We will see you soon in room 52.
Hi, my name is Jose Becerra and I'm the president of the Gardening Club.
And I'm Audrey Diaz, the social media director of the Environmental Club.
Just last week, the Gardening Club and the Environmental Club went on a field trip in the Ventura Botanical Gardens with Miss Fong. We had lots of fun and it was a great way to get into nature. If you're interested in participating in field trips and activities like these, please join the Gardening Club and Environmental Club.
Gardening Club meets every other Wednesday and Environmental Club meets every other Tuesday. We would also like to say that we're having a gardening day on March 22nd from 3:45 to 4:45 behind the scoreboard by the football field. We'd be excited to have anyone pass by and participate.
If you need transportation after school, the late bus is always available. Please stop by and join us after school and you can have a chance to gain community service hours.
Here's some clips and pictures from our field trip last week.
all for your news this week.
Stay tuned for sports and weather.
Oh, sorry I didn't see you there, guys. I was preparing for the Spanish dance this Friday. I'm Daniel Estrada, and let's jump right onto this weather for the week. Vámonos. Alright, Spartans, your week is going to be having a mix of sunny, cloudy, and rainy days in it. So for Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be having showers. On Monday, we're going to be having a high of 60 and a low of 51. And on Tuesday, we're going to be having a high of 56 and a low of 47. For Wednesday, we're going to be having a cloudy day with a high of 57 and low of 44. For Thursday, we're going to be having a mainly sunny day with a high of 60 and low of 45. Alright, and then for Friday, we're going to be having a mainly sunny day with a high of 63 and low of 47. And now, oh wow, look at all this. They're playing Vicente Fernandez over there and Jenny Rivera over there. Oh yeah, forgot about your weekend. Your weekend is going to be pretty sunny with highs of 64 and lows of 48. Alright, Spartans, enjoy your week. Stay safe. That's it for your Spanish weather segment. And remember, Paloma, no lloras.
Welcome Spartans to our 19th Spartan Sports Center. My name is Rodney Adams.
And my name is Kevin Gutierrez.
Tennis will have a match against Pacifica at Pacifica on Tuesday, March 21st at 3 p.m.
After that, they will play at Oxnard on Thursday, March 23rd at 3 p.m. Good luck to all the players. This Tuesday, March 21st, boys baseball will play versus Buena here at Rio Mesa at 3:30 p.m.
On Friday, March 24th, they will go to Buena to play them once again. As always, it will be at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck and remember to play hard.
On Tuesday, March 21st, boys golf will play Thousand Oaks at the Spanish Hills Country Club at 1 p.m.
After that, they will play versus Valencia at the Las Posas Country Club, also at 1 p.m.
Good luck, guys.
On Tuesday, March 21st, the boys volleyball team will play Oxnard here at Rio Mesa. JV will start at 5 p.m. and varsity will follow them up at 6 p.m.
On Thursday, March 23rd, they will head over to Santa Barbara to play them. Once again, JV at 5 and varsity at 6 p.m. Our girls softball team will play Buena at Buena on Tuesday, March 21st.
Both teams will play at 3:30 p.m.
On Friday, March 24th, they will have a rematch against Buena playing here at Rio Mesa. Once again, all games will be played at 3:30 p.m.
Good luck, girls.
On Tuesday, March 21st, the girls beach volleyball team will play Santa Barbara at the East Beach volleyball courts. Varsity will play first at 3 p.m. and JV after at 4:30 p.m.
The next day on Wednesday, March 22nd, they will play Camarillo here at Rio Mesa.
After that, they will play at Oxnard on Thursday, March 23rd. Varsity will play at 3 p.m. and JV at 4:30 p.m. for both games. Good luck.
Track and field will have a meet on Thursday, March 23rd here at home against Ventura and San Marcos starting at 3 p.m. Good luck to everyone participating.
Here are some scores for the past sports games in March.
On Thursday, March 9th, girls beach volleyball lost to Ventura 0-6. On Wednesday, March 8th, girls softball beat Valencia 8-2. And on March 9th, boys volleyball beat Buena 3-0.
March 9th, boys baseball beat Santa Barbara 3-2. Great job to everyone.
That's going to do it for the 19th episode of your Spartan Sports Center.
Thank you for watching and have a great day.
My name is Miguel, and we're here at the Career Expo, and I feel like it opened a lot of more opportunities for me to learn about the career path that I want to go into, and it also opened my interest for me in learning where to start off.
Hi, I'm Geraldine Van, and yeah, we're here at the Career Expo. I think it's very important to come here with an open mind because, wow, there's a lot of things to know about these different careers and different career pathways that you can take. So, definitely very helpful for someone like me who is looking for a job opportunity.
Today I learned a lot of things about the different careers that I wanted to go to,
such as like the medical field and like about different internships that I could take over the summer.
Where did you go in particular in internships and what colleges you might want to go to, including some careers or majors?
There's a lot of variety too.
Hi Spartan Spotlight, my name is Jessica Viveros. I'm a Rio Mesa alum and now working at the Port Hawaii. Check us out.